Yesterday, January 25th, 2026, a 2020 Bombardier Challenger 650 crashed shortly after departing Bangor International in Bangor, Maine, here in the United States. What we do know is this tail number, November 10 Kilo Juliet, was registered to a Houston-based LLC, which crashed shortly after departing Bangor around 1945 local time or 0045 Zulu. There was 8 occupants, 3 crew, 5 packs, and their status is currently unknown. We do know from Flight Radar 24, this aircraft did currently depart William P. Hobby in Houston around 1420 local or 2020 Zulu en route to Bangor.
10 Kilo Juliet, Bangor Tower, runway 33 RVR, more than 6,000, wind is 060 at Niner, runway 33, runway heading, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 33, 10 Kilo Juliet.
Let there be light.
All traffic is stopped on the field. All traffic is stopped on the field. Moxie, continue taxiing to the ramp.
Continuing to the ramp, Moxie 52.
Bangor ground mobile 6-4 at Bravo. Proceeding north on Alpha.
Aircraft upside down. We have a passenger aircraft upside down.
All crash. 6-4, proceed on the airport. The airport's yours. The airport is closed.